Hello, my name is Marcel and this is my egg pattern soap making video. So first, before making the soap, I made some egg embeds first with the extruder. This is very useful when you have to make some embeds with soap dough. There are lots of extruders you can find online, and mine happened to be the one with a very low price, but it works perfectly. I don't think you should spend lots of money on this simple tool, and I'm very happy with my extruder. And if you work with soap dough a lot, I definitely recommend using this. So today's video will be a little bit different from other videos. Yes, as you see, I used a real egg. I thought that I would want to give a clear direction in this particular video because there might be some people who want to also make some egg soaps. And there are lots of tutorial videos online, and if mine helps you to make your own egg soap, I'll be very glad. I'm going to give the exact ingredient and measurement I used so you can easily follow them step by step. And I used both egg white and egg yolk. The recipes and the information that I used to make this soap is mainly from a website called classicbells.com. I will put the link so you can check for yourself. According to the website, you can add 1 whole egg for every pound or 500 grams of oil for your soap. The egg, 50 grams supplies 5 grams of fat and 38 grams of water. So basically, all you need is to subtract the numbers of the water in your lye solution and add 5 grams of fat in your oil. I used a total 500 grams of oils, but when I calculated for the lye solution, I added 5 grams of canola oil because the saponification value of egg fat is the same as the canola oil. Some people leave the 5 grams for superfat, but I didn't want to have superfat for this particular soap. I poured the egg through a strainer so only the smooth ones will go down. And when you mix the egg with oil, make sure that everything, even the lye water, is room temperature or slightly warmer, or the high temperature might cook the egg. Now I add the lye solution. Again, there is less water in the lye solution because the egg already contains 38 grams of water. So I subtracted 38 grams of the weight from the water. Once you pour the lye water into the oil, then it's pretty much the same as you make the other soaps. But there were 2 major differences. First, while the soap is saponified, the smell of the soap was not that strong, but I could definitely smell some ammonia odor. And I think it disappeared the next day. There was only the scent of the fragrance oil I added. And another thing is that, as you see, the soap batter gets dark as soon as I mixed with the lye solution. And since the batter has some dark yellow color already, I had to add some titanium dioxide and yellow kaolin clay to make the egg colors. Once you reach this point, you can make the soap as you normally do. I wanted to make some egg patterns, so I used the soap frosting. And now I am decorating the soap. If you're planning to design the soap as I did, you may feel that the egg white does not look like the real egg white from the shell. But trust me, once you put the egg yolk, then you will see perfect eggs fresh from the shell. If you make soaps with 500 grams of oils, you can get approximately 6 to 10 bars of the soap. Depends on how you cut the soap. And as you see, there are some small peaks on egg yolks, and you can easily remove them while it's not fully dried. So I have to say that this was challenging for me because I have never put anything, not even milk or beer, to my soap. I only use oil and some fragrance oil, lye solution, and some colors, and that was it. But after making this soap, I have some confidence to try something new. I don't think I would make this kind of soap soon, but I will try more soaps with various additives. It has been 4 to 5 days since I made this soap, and when I smell the soap, I only smell the scent of the fragrance oil, but nothing else. I have to cure and dry the soap first, so I cannot use it right now, but I will update more information in the future. Thanks for watching, and I really do hope that my video would help you to make your own egg soaps. I'm pretty sure you'll make great egg soaps, better than mine. So I recommend trying this. Have a wonderful day, and I'll see you next time. Bye!